Iran and Russia shocked. Israel's massive military breakthrough revealed. Today we are going to educate you on exactly why defense analysts worldwide are using these words. Israel has developed and deployed military technology across 5 critical categories: missiles, fighter jets, drones, rifles, and artillery systems that independent researchers consistently assess as more advanced than Iran's equivalents and competitive with Russia's in several key areas. We will explain each technology clearly: what it is, how it works, what makes it a breakthrough, and where Iran and Russia stand in comparison. No exaggeration, no drama, just clear factual, educational breakdown of some of the most advanced military technology currently operational anywhere in the world. By the end of this video, you will have a complete, accurate understanding of exactly why Israel's military breakthrough is shocking analysts, and why Iran and Russia are being forced to take serious notice. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is Israel's massive military breakthrough, and we are going to explain it completely, clearly, and educationally across every major technology category. Israel is a country of 9 million people with one of the most technically advanced military forces currently operational anywhere in the world. The Stockholm International Peace Research Institute documents Israel as one of the highest defense R&D spenders globally as a percentage of GDP. That sustained investment has produced breakthroughs in 5 key areas: precision missiles, 5th-generation fighter jets, advanced drones, modern infantry rifles, and precision artillery systems. Iran's drone and missile programs are extensive but lag behind Israeli technology in precision and sophistication. And Russia, as Iran's primary supplier, finds Israeli systems directly competitive in several areas. Understanding what Israel has actually built, technically and factually, explains clearly why this breakthrough is significant. Each section today covers one technology area in complete educational detail. Israel's precision missile technology is one of its most significant breakthroughs, and understanding it requires knowing what makes a missile genuinely advanced. 3 factors define missile sophistication: range accuracy, and the ability to defeat adversary air defense systems. Israel's RAW-CKS missile, developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, achieves all 3. It has a reported range exceeding 300 kilometers, uses combined inertial navigation and GPS guidance achieving meter-level accuracy, and incorporates low radar cross-section design reducing detectability to adversary radar networks. The Rampage missile adds supersonic speed, reducing response time available to any air defense system to near zero. Iran operates ballistic missiles in large quantities but with older guidance systems significantly less accurate than Israeli equivalents. And Russia supplies Iran with S-300 air defense systems that Israeli missiles are specifically engineered to defeat. Beyond these 2 points, the real story is Israeli engineering. The RAW-CKS and Rampage represent precision strike capability that defense researchers at the Center for Strategic and International Studies consistently rate among the most technically advanced standoff strike systems currently operational anywhere globally. Israel's drone technology breakthrough covers 2 distinct categories: surveillance drones and strike drones, and both represent genuine advances worth understanding clearly. In surveillance, the Heron TP developed by Israel Aerospace Industries is among the largest and most capable military unmanned aerial vehicles currently operational anywhere. It has a wingspan comparable to a Boeing 737, operates at altitudes exceeding 14 kilometers, and remains airborne for over 30 hours continuously, collecting intelligence with advanced sensor payloads across vast geographic areas. In strike capability, the Harop loitering munition autonomously identifies and attacks radar emission sources, incorporating onboard artificial intelligence that Iran's Shade drones and current Russian operational drone systems do not match in sophistication. Beyond this comparison, Israel's drone program stands on its own engineering merit. Decades of operational experience across real missions has created a practical feedback loop that continuously accelerates development quality. Elbit Systems and Israel Aerospace Industries publish drone technology advances regularly at international defense exhibitions, reflecting confidence in openly demonstrating capability that researchers worldwide study and analyze closely. Israel's infantry weapons technology is a breakthrough area that receives less attention than missiles and jets, but represents genuine engineering advancement worth understanding in detail. The Taver TAR-21, developed by Israel Weapon Industries, is Israel's standard infantry rifle using a bullpup configuration, positioning the action and magazine behind the trigger group. This provides a full-length barrel maintaining muzzle velocity and accuracy within a significantly shorter overall package than conventional designs. In practical terms, this makes the weapon more manageable in vehicles, urban environments, and close quarter situations without sacrificing ballistic performance. The Negev light machine gun provides squad-level automatic fire support in a lightweight platform chambered in both 5.56 mm and 7.62 mm variants. Iran's infantry rifles are largely older Soviet AK pattern derivatives lacking modern ergonomics and accessory integration, and Russian AK-12 comparisons show the Taver's bullpup advantage in compactness clearly. Beyond this brief comparison, the Taver's global export success to over 30 countries is the strongest independent validation of its engineering quality. Militaries worldwide choose it based on performance merit alone. Israel's artillery and ground-based fire systems represent a precision breakthrough, clearly separating them from Iranian equivalents in accuracy and automation. The key educational concept here is precision versus volume. Iran operates artillery largely derived from older Soviet designs capable of high-volume fire, but limited individual round accuracy. And Russia's artillery systems have shown documented accuracy limitations in operational conditions. These 2 points establish the baseline context. Now the real breakthrough. Israel's HOS 2052 self-propelled howitzer achieves full firing readiness within 30 seconds, delivers GPS-assisted precision rounds with meter-level accuracy at ranges exceeding 40 kilometers, and immediately relocates after firing. The Iron Fist active protection system mounted on Israeli armored vehicles uses pulse Doppler radar to detect incoming anti-tank threats and fires an interceptor charge, neutralizing them before impact. Iron Fist's adoption by the United States Army for its Abrams tank fleet represents the most credible external quality validation possible, confirming that Israel's ground weapons technology meets the highest international defense engineering standards currently applied anywhere in the world. The F-35i Adir is Israel's most advanced fighter aircraft. And understanding what makes it a breakthrough requires understanding what fifth generation actually means technically. Fifth-generation fighters are defined by 4 core characteristics: stealth design reducing radar cross-section, sensor fusion integrating multiple data sources into one pilot display, high-performance propulsion, and advanced electronic warfare systems. The F-35i incorporates all 4 with Israeli-specific modifications, adding domestically developed electronic warfare systems and indigenous integration approved uniquely for Israel among all F-35 operators globally. Its stealth design makes reliable detection by adversary radar systems significantly more difficult than any conventional 4th-generation aircraft. Iran operates no 5th-generation fighters whatsoever. Its most capable aircraft are aging designs representing technology 2 full generations behind. Russia operates the Su-57, but in very limited numbers with minimal operational deployment. Israel's F-35i fleet is fully operational with combat-experienced crews, accumulating real-world 5th-generation operational experience that no other air force in the region comes close to matching currently. Alongside 35i, Israel operates the F-15i ROM, and understanding why Israel needs both aircraft explains important principles of modern Air Force design educationally. The F-35i provides stealth penetration capability, ideal for operating in defended airspace where radar detection must be minimized. The F-15i ROM provides payload and range, carrying larger weapons loads over greater distances than the F-35i's internal weapons bay configuration allows. The F-15i incorporates Israeli-developed avionics, electronic warfare systems, and conformal fuel tanks extending its combat radius significantly beyond standard F-15e configuration. It carries Rousseau-KS and Rampage precision missiles, allowing strikes against hardened targets from outside adversary air defense engagement ranges entirely. This two-platform combination, stealth penetration plus long-range heavy strike, gives Israel's Air Force complementary capabilities neither aircraft provides alone. Defense analysts at Rousseau consistently note this combination represents a uniquely capable strike architecture. Purpose, built around real operational requirements rather than theoretical design exercises, making it one of the most practically effective Air Force technology combinations currently operational anywhere. Israel's aero-ballistic missile defense system addresses the most technically demanding interception challenge in modern defense, destroying ballistic missiles traveling at hypersonic speeds during flight. Understanding aero requires understanding ballistic missile flight phases clearly. A ballistic missile travels through 3 phases. Boost phase immediately after launch, mid-course phase through upper atmosphere or space, and terminal phase descending toward target. Aero 2 intercepts during terminal phase inside the atmosphere using a blast fragmentation warhead. Aero 3 intercepts during mid-course phase outside the atmosphere, at altitudes exceeding 100 kilometers, using HIT to kill technology that physically collides with the incoming missile warhead. This exo-atmospheric interception destroys the warhead in space before atmospheric re-entry, minimizing debris risk over populated areas below. The system was jointly developed with the United States Missile Defense Agency, combining Israeli operational requirements with American technology resources and funding. Independent defense researchers at the Begin Sadat Center for Strategic Studies consistently assess Aerothere as one of the 2 or 3 most technically capable ballistic missile defense systems currently operational anywhere in the world. Israel's Merkava main battle tank represents a breakthrough in armored vehicle design philosophy, and understanding it educationally reveals how operational experience directly drives engineering decisions. Most tank designs place the engine at the rear, a conventional arrangement maximizing internal crew space. The Merkava places the engine at the front, providing additional crew protection from frontal impacts which combat data consistently shows are the most statistically common in real engagements. The rear compartment carries infantry casualties or additional ammunition, adding operational flexibility beyond pure combat capability. The Trophy Active Protection System developed by Rafael uses pulse, Doppler radar to detect incoming anti-tank threats and fires a directional interceptor charge, neutralizing them before impact. Trophy has been validated in actual operational conditions, not just controlled testing environments. Its adoption by the United States Army for Abrams tanks and German Army for Leopard tanks represents the strongest possible international quality validation. These 2 separate major military adoption decisions confirm Trophy as the globally recognized leading active protection technology currently available. Iran and Russia shocked. Israel's massive military breakthrough revealed. This topic now has a complete, factual, educational explanation across every major category. In missiles, RO, CKS, and Rampage provide precision standoff strike capability exceeding Iranian equivalents and specifically engineered to defeat Russian supplied air defense systems. In fighter jets, the F-35i and F-15i combination provides stealth penetration and long-range heavy strike, 2 full generations ahead of anything Iran currently operates. In drones, Heron TP and Herop provide endurance, altitude, and autonomous capabilities significantly beyond Iranian Shade series equivalents. In infantry weapons, the Taver and Negev provide modern compact precision small arms now exported to 30-plus countries globally. In artillery, Techos precision systems and Iron Fist active protection provide accuracy and survivability advantages validated by United States and German Army adoption decisions. In missile defense, Arrow 3XO atmospheric interception addresses the most demanding ballistic missile threats directly. Every system is documented, engineered, and operationally deployed. This is Israel's massive military breakthrough fully and educationally revealed. If this educational breakdown gave you genuine value, hit the like button right now, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish factual educational defense and technology analysis regularly. Cleo MMENT below. Which technology did you find most interesting to learn about today? Share this with anyone who wants to understand modern military technology clearly and accurately. See you in the next video.